Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Exceeded the credit limit. I used the card for coffee and gas. Great Beyond Water Sports? Never heard of it. I'm in Colorado. No beaches here. Where's the surf shop? Unbelievable.
Sandy Bigelow Patterson, you missed your court date in Florida.
I've never even been to Florida.
Pull a mugshot.
Who the hell is this?
Just the woman who stole your identity. Obviously taking advantage of the fact that you have a female name.
Unisex.
It's pretty girly.
Every day I'm hustling.
Sandy Bigelow, Patterson. I can't believe I'm turning 30. I'm always doing stuff like this.
What do you do now? You go get her?
Oh, no. She'd have to be standing right here to do you any good.
This is crazy. You don't chase criminals.
This is our only option. She's like a hobbit. They're going after Bilbo. Gotcha. And we can do it the hard way or the easy way.
I'd like to pick the easy way.
You like that girl, Sandy? Whoa, I love that guitar. I'm gonna sue you.
That was not the easy way.
You steal money from Paolo.
We're going to Denver. You're gonna love it. There's nobody shooting at you there. Hey, come on. I can do this all day.
What are you, Kenyan?
Sandy likes to watch.
Oh, no.
Challenge him physically.
I can't let this woman out of my sight. This is awesome.
How about some music?
My metric brings all the bucks. There walks 500 miles. Yeah, I can hit that. Now, ooh, Barracuda.
You okay?
Darating ang mag-asawang Jess Padanya na nakasama sa isang mag-anak ni Padre Damaso. Tayo ay hindi dapat magkulang sa mga kailangan. Ibig mo bang ako'y huliin? May sakit, ngunit mapapagaling. Bigyan ng ligay na may gata sa umaga. Harabe de Altea at 2 pintoras de Sinoglosa.
going to share what our parents do for work.
My mom's a teacher.
And your dad?
He's a liar.
You mean he's a lawyer?
Fletcher Reed was climbing the ladder of success.
You're the victim here, driven into the arms of another man.
7.
Yeah, whatever.
One lie
Tell him it's in the mail. I ran out of gas. You're losing a little weight.
at a time.
The true victim is my client. Put yourself in his shoes for a moment. You're walking from church when suddenly you encounter him, pouncing from the shadows.
But what made him a successful lawyer
Your ex-wife called.
I have to go to court this afternoon.
Fletcher, it's his birthday.
also made him an unpredictable father.
He said he was gonna be here. He promised.
Until one day, his son decided to make an honest man out of him.
I wish that for only one day Dad couldn't tell a lie.
Was he good for you? I've had better.
Now,
Any change, mister? Absolutely. Could you spare some? Yes, I could. I can't lie.
all he can do is tell the truth,
Like the jazz?
Whatever it takes to focus off your head.
the whole truth,
know why I pulled you over? I changed lanes without signaling while running a red light and speeding.
and nothing but the truth.
It was me. Your wish came true.
You mean you have to tell the truth?
How we doing this morning, Consul?
I'm a little upset about a bad sexual episode I had last night.
From Universal Pictures and Imagine Entertainment, and the director of The Nutty Professor, Jim Carrey. Liar, liar.
New in the building?
Everybody's been real nice.
Well, that's because you have big...
Anak ko, hindi ka mamamatay. Sino ba kayo?
Ako si Alfonso Linares.
Ikaw pala ang hinahanap ni Carlicos. Ako ay tumanggap ng liham sa'yo, ngunit hindi kita kilala. Ano ba ang ibig ni Carlicos?
Tila po nasasabi sa sandali.
Gusto niyang hanapan kita ng trabaho at asawa.
Nag-aaral ako bilang sa University of Finland.
Mahilig ka pala sa usapin. Mabuti, ihahanap kita ng asawa. Isang asawa. Isang asawa. Halika, pinasa. Puntahan natin sa Santiago. Padre, pinuntahan ko po si Ibarra, pero ako po ay kanyang pinala. Sana po ay payuhan niyo ako. Nais ko po kausapin si Padre Damaso.
Lois, please! Stop what you're doing and give Scotty back to us!
I can't do that, Hope.
But we've entrusted our son into the Lord's hands.
I know. And maybe that's why he ended up in my hands. The Lord can't do everything, you know.
Blasphemy! Heresy! Sodomy! Sorry, I don't even know what's going on. How you doing?
Ben, Hope, I know you don't believe in modern medicine, but you do believe in the power of prayer.
That's right.
And through the years, when there was disease or infection, people of good faith would pray to God for a cure.
Yes, it's what we do.
Well, then isn't it possible that penicillin, vaccines, and antibiotics are all actually answered prayers? And isn't it possible that the amazing men and women of medicine who brought about these miracles could be the instruments of God's answers to our prayers?
Good so far, Lois. Try to work a few laughs in there if you can.
Look, I believe life is sacred, and I know you want Scotty to live a full life. And if that's true, then I think it's wrong for you to ignore what very well could be the Lord's will. I mean, what's the point in praying to God if you're just gonna wipe your butt with his answers? Oh, then please let God answer your prayers. Please let your son get help.
Well, I guess through the Lord's will, anything is possible. All right, Lois. Scotty can have his treatment.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, and God bless you both.
Hey, everybody! We're all gonna get laid!
Higit na magdaramdam si Maria Clara sapagkat mahal niya ang kanyang ama. Marahil na sakit niya ay mula sa sama ng loob ng
sugat ay hindi sa karamdaman na may pagkain sa atin. Marahil pinupuno ko siya sa kanila. Alam ko siya.
Nais ng kabanata ito na huwag tayong magtanggap sa ibang tao.
Nais ang parating ng kabanatang ito sa atin na dapat huwag tayong mahiya sa ating tunay na pagkatao. Hindi matago ang
Bilang individual, matutunan ako na maging simpleng tao.
bilang mamamayan, pagtutuan ako hindi maging mayabang at magsimple lang. Ako si Brian Torres at ako ay gaganap bilang si Don Tiburcio de Espadanya.
Ako si Jeremy Chubenko, gaganap bilang Kapitan Tiago.
Ako si Ben Yuna at ako ay si
Ako si Kenneth Soto at ako ay gaganap bilang Padre Damaso.
Ako si Jeremy Chubenko, gaganap bilang Kapitan Tiago.
May sakit ngunit mapapagaling. Bigyan ng liken na may gatas sa umaga. Harabe de alde at dalawang
Go. Go.
sugat ay walang kaugnayan sa buti. Ulit.
Bloopers!
Sup, bro? Kamusta pag-aaral?
May sakit ngunit mapapagaling. Bigyan ng lingkod sa umahin.
Jeff!
Ano?
5 Nights at Freddy's!
Oy, Robles Gaming. Robles Gaming. Hindi so serious. Ang tagal.
Oh, on.
Sige, let's go. At ako ay
Nais ng kabanata nito ay huwag tayong mag-upakan. Nais ng kabanata.
Kasi yung bloopers. You're going to the bloopers. You're going to the bloopers. You're going to the bloopers.
Mananang gawin lang bloopers. Ay! Bigyan lang! Halika, binata. Pupunta natin si...
Boss! What?
Ayan yung mabilis na Pussies, faster. Pussies. Oh my god! So fun! Wama. Bayin mo. Mas masaya pa. Other pillar kaysa dito. Kailangan ng bayin yan. Matthew, halika dito. Matthew, beso na lang.
Hi there!